everybody, this is me and Duncan. We're uploading last week's video and we're just hanging out. Duncan was playing Star Wars. See, show him. Yeah. Do it again, do it again, do it again. What you want? Awesome, right? Alright, so what do you want to talk about?
Star Wars!
Who's your favorite Jedi? This includes that Clone Wars show you watch on Cartoon Network, which is on what, Fridays? Yoda? You like Yoda the best?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Like you want to fight like him, do all those flips he did against Count Dooku?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at those Jedi moves. Nice. I don't have Jedi moves like that anymore. Not since the Academy.
Not the Academy.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Maybe.
I don't know. Let's fly!
Ah!
I'm going to some place that I don't know about. I really want to know! Columbus! Go side!
Keep watching.
There it is.
Tornado Alley!
What else is on there?
Now showing.
You see what that was?
That was the
The Tiv is there today.
Who else is there?
Sean Casey is there today.
I just wanted to make a quick cutaway about what's going on. We're going to COSI, which is in Columbus, Ohio. It's the center of science and industry. The man named Sean Casey is there, and he's a filmmaker, really well-known filmmaker, and he films tornadoes. Duncan knows this guy really well because of his show on Discovery Channel, Storm Chasers. To take him because the vehicle he rode in, they actually sat and tried to have tornadoes roll over them, is the Tiv. It's I'll cut away to it, but yeah, Duncan's really excited. He's super into storms and stuff like that. So come on. What is it? I want it. See?
That's kind of awesome.
We've been talking about getting a bus for years, and they have one.
It's kind of freaking awesome.
What does it say?
The tin!
You see it?
Okay, look here. Connor, read Josh, and oh my god, that's so
See?
cute!
See? Now you're rethinking the whole bus situation, aren't you? That's when we go to the beach next year. You ready to see the Tiv and what's his name, Sean Casey?
Sean Casey and the Tiv.
Ready to see the tornado movie he filmed?
Yeah.
You saw about him filming it. Now we actually get to see the film. Won't that be good? Over there. The Tiv. Tell them what we're doing. Tell the people at home what we're doing.
Following Jima's gang.
I think it's short for grandma.
Yeah, it is. They'll never suspect.
There's their gang. We're gonna infiltrate their gang.
Here goes. There, sideways.
Yeah. We're gonna infiltrate their gang and become a part of it. I wonder what colors they will. Obviously red and black, because that's the color of the van, the bus.
That's how they represent.
It's got polka dots, so red and black polka dots.
That's how they represent.
Yeah. So we gotta get do-rags and red and black polka dots. Right, Dunk?
What?
Let me see you. Nice. All right, go. Go on. Let's do it. Let's move, kid.
Narrate it. Narrate it.
What are you doing? What are you feeling right now?
Nothing.
You not excited? You're gonna touch the Tiv. Dude, you saw that go through tornadoes and stuff.
You don't have to wear the flex. Get in front of me. This is like...
Danger zone. thing is cool. Look at it. Go touch it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Touch the tornado. Really cool. That's where he films from, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing's awesome.
That's where the things go down.
Oh yeah, so they don't move during the tornado? We're going to space! This is gonna be fun, huh? You ready? That.
Why is it? Yeah, of course it's gonna be us that does that.
It's too big.
The last 8 years, I've been storm chasing, right? And this is the film that I finally finished. But even before then, I did a little storm chasing for an IMAX film called Forces of Nature. And back then, we didn't have...
Okay, Dunk, what just happened?
I got stuck. I got shot.
You got an autograph from Sean? Let me see. Hold on. Oh, that's so cool, dude.
You got it on your thing.
Oh, yeah, I got it right there. So we put that in your scrapbook.
Yep.
Yeah.
But you don't want to show my autograph I got from you?
Was it a good day?
Yeah.
Did you like his movie?
Yeah.
I did too. It was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What about you, Mom? Did you like the movie?
Yeah.
Hey, everybody. So, I just found out that Eric's finally in town. Hi! I'm so excited to see him. It's been forever. I think today will be the first time we've actually seen each other in person. And over a year, actually. Maybe over a year. I don't know, the last time we saw each other was under unfortunate circumstances. He had come home for a funeral, which is not fun. Mom. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Hello.
Hello. Hey!
So how you doing, Jeff?